Hi listeners, today discuss about the organic compound. But organic compound generally present in the biochemistry or the living system. Study of chemical composition and reaction occurring in the living matter. It is called the organic compound. And inorganic substances, basically the carbon atom containing substance, the organic matters, but sometimes do not contain the carbon. Exception is the carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon bicarbonate, and water is the most abundant and important inorganic material, making 60% to 80% of all the cell and 2/3 of the body weight. The organic compound. Organic compound means they are contain obviously the carbon atoms and with the hydrogens. Contain the element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. These are the three important elements of any organic compounds. Carbon is found in these things. There are ones we are living, and carbon atom are share electron to form a covalent bond. Organic compound. Organic compound are the composed of the hundred to thousands of individual molecules, and the single molecule in the polymer are called the monomer. That means single molecule is our polymer are called the monomer. Then here it is the structure of fructose. It contains C6H12O6, but their structural difference, but commonly known as C6H12O6. That means it contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. They are the organic compound. No other compound is attached with this organic molecule. Another organic compound is the long molecule formed by the repeating the pattern, and the monomers are called the polymers. And they are the same compound, say like glucose attached with another glucose, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glucose attached with this. That's why it is called the polymer compound. Not more only 6 monomer compound attached with the compound. It is called the polymer compound. Fundamentals groups. The functional groups, which are those groups which are group atoms that are characterize the structure of family of organic compound, and functional group determined by the properties of the organic compound. Actually functional group are only things that can be identify the particular compounds, organic compounds also. Here are three types of like amine, carboxylic and hydroxyl, NH2, CH2 and carboxylic compounds. Here amine groups, amino function group, NH2 basically which is present in the amino acid group also, and carboxylic group there is a COOH which is carboxylic group. Sometimes have compounds which contain carboxylic compounds, and hydroxyl group. In here the structure of glucose which contain 5 hydroxyl group, there is a hydroxyl group, or sometimes ethyl alcohol which is contain also hydroxyl group. Macromolecule, the 4 types of organic compounds, they are macromolecule, carbohydrate, lipid, protein and nucleic acid. All these macromolecule contains the organic compound essential to maintain the life process, cell function, storage, energy. Homeostatic means to maintain in every situation, control the situation like heat, temperature, hungry, everything it controlled by the living system. That is the main difference between the living system as well as the non-living system. Homeostatic means homeostatic system only in the living system. They are maintained or regulate, adjusted their body in the low temperature, high temperature, low oxygen, high oxygen in this context, but no other compound, no other things cannot maintain it. That is called the homeostatic. But these four compounds which is maintain the function, storage, energy and homeostatic, and also genetic information also, their main component is the nucleic acid. The carbohydrate, it makes a sugar and starch, contain the carbohydroxyl group and contain the atoms carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and the ratio is the 1:2:1. C6H12O6 it will be then 6:12 is to 6 is to 12 is to 6 equal to 1:2:1, and provide the energy of the cell and dissolve the water. That means it is a hydrophilic in nature. That means it is water soluble. That means which compound what mean hydrophilic, which compound which are dissolved in the or water loving, and simultaneously you are telling the hydrophobic, there is a water hating substance. That means they are not dissolved like oil or liquid which are hydrophobic substances. And type of carbohydrate, there is one sugar, the monosaccharide, two sugar, disaccharide, and the more than two, it is called the polysaccharides. And the monosaccharide, the milk sugar, lactose which is present, and the fructose which is also there is only C6H12, basically they are the isomerism compound. That's why all are monosaccharide, but their structure is the different, because they are the geometrical, they are the molecular formula are the same, but the structural formula is the different. That is it is called the isomerism or stereoisomer. That is discussed in the later class. And disaccharide is the maltose 1,4 linkage, it is attached with the one glucose, which first glucose attached with the one position, attached with the second glucose of 4 position, or that is called 1,4 alpha linkage, it is called the disaccharide, or it is called the maltose, two glucose attached with the 1,4 alpha linkage. Polysaccharide, which is linked to the one molecule more than 3 or more than 10 monomer equal to polysaccharide, as for example in the starch in case of plant sources, and case of glycogen it is in the animal source or also human also. Lipids, there are three types of lipids are fats and oils and wax, and contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and typically contain the monomer. Glycerol and the fatty acid is the monomeric compound. Ultimately they are produces some fatty acids like saturated and unsaturated or polyunsaturated, commonly known as the PUFA, or the oil contain the PUFA, polyunsaturated fatty acid, which is essential for the growth and which is very basically prevent the cardiac disorder also. And the monomeric lipid, here the glycerol and the saturated fatty acid, there sometimes the stearic acid, palmitic acid, here the unsaturated fatty acid. In case of saturated fatty acid there is no unsaturation, but here is one unsaturation. In case of sometimes more than one unsaturation will be occurred, there is called polyunsaturated polyacid, the short form the PUFA, 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 polyunsaturated fatty acid, which is essential for prevention of the heart disease, because this unsaturation in presence of oxygen or reactive oxygen pieces they are oxidized, and the damage of the heart lungs can be prevented. In this case also there is a chance of prevention of hypertension also. Function of lipid, there is a lipid of the energy later by the body, and lipid are also in the pandemic of the protection of the body, and lipid do not or the storage for the later. Actually lipid is stored in the body in the adipose tissue, they are supplying the energy in the crisis period or in the starvation. Lipid also serve as a pending and protection of the body, because it is the guard, it is the shape of the body, it is a protection and guard of the body and also protection. Lipid do not dissolve in the water, but it is a hydrophobic substance, which is discussed in the earlier, but may contain part of the dissolved portion. The hydrogen and carbon ratio is the higher than the lipid then it is carbohydrate. The structure of the lipids, the dissolve in the hydrophobic substance, does not dissolve in the water hydrophobic substances. These are the carbon red molecule of the carbon atoms, and sometimes it called choline, and the phospholipid, which is a very important compound. Their head portion is the waterphilic or hydrophilic, and tail portion is the hydrophobic substances. This hydrophobic and hydrophilic one is basically present in our the cell membrane structure, and in that case no such other compounds like hydrophilic and hydrophobic compound which is transferred to the one cell to another cell due to this mechanism. And phospholipid, which is contain basically lipid with the phosphate. This phosphate, which head groups is the hydrophilic, but tail group is the head group phosphatic group is the hydrophobic, but tail group is the fatty acid chain or hydrophobic in nature. Fatty acid is saturated and unsaturated, which is discussed in the earlier class, and saturated unsaturated fatty acid, which is the saturated and unsaturated. Then is the protein, another compound which is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, along with the nitrogen and sulfur also, which contain amino and carboxylic group. Basically protein is the polymer of amino acids, and which is the composed whole the body is composed by our protein, hair to nail, hair, skin, muscle, organ, all this body. Basically the structure of the body is composed by the protein, and the organic compound is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and along with the sulfur and phosphorus. Function of the protein, it is a building blocker of the protein amino acid and serve as enzymes for the enzymatic reaction for the digestion. Also some hormones, also peptide hormone also, which is protein in nature or peptide hormones. Some immunosystem, today's most discussing substances like immunity. This immunity, that means which is by the immunoglobulin, that immunoglobulin which is a protein in nature. The protein, basically the protection and the basic structure of the protein is the amino acid. The amino acid is composed by the amino group and carboxylic group and side chain. Amino acid side chain. Types of protein: fibrous protein, globular fibers, then we have fiber which is present in the skin and tendons, and globular protein which is solubilized protein, and sometimes globular, then oval protein. Sometimes in case of in case of egg, there is oval in structure, because the structure of protein is the oval, that's why egg is oval in structure. And the keratin, which are the family of fiber structure protein touched to the insoluble, they are the compound. The globular protein enzymes, the proteins catalyze the accelerate the chemical reaction and the almost all the process of biological reaction. So thank you all the listeners for listen it. If you understand, please like me and subscribe us, or if you not any question,
what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be